Filipino. He hails from Cagayan de Oro and fights out of the Ala Boxing Gym of Cebu, the WBO Youth Asia Pacific Lightweight Champion, Jason Pagara.
Jason Pagara in red, but you get the name Pagara emblazoned in front of his trunks in white, and he's going up against Billy Sumba.
Siyempre, pag laban na.
Good combination.
Sumba tries to cover up.
Diane, si Pagara has to show his maturity by not getting upset. Oh, that's over. Not a shot. Not a shot. He's not going to get up. No way. He looks terrible. They better get the doctor into the ring right away. This guy was out cold. He was out cold, unconscious. No need to count. The fight's over. Get the doctor into the ring right away. Now the doctors are rushing in, the medics, they got oxygen.
Oh, what a look on his face when he fell. He actually looked straight at us.
Yeah. That was a good left.
See, it wasn't like his arm wasn't even fully extended, pero grabe yung tama niya.
That's the explosiveness that Pio Solon was talking about. Now look at this. Okay, look at this.
Ayun.
Perfect.
Sa panga.
On the jaw.
Exacto. We got the whole crowd here dito sa Cebu Waterfront Ballroom. Pinapanood ulit yung knockdown
Tignan mo.
sa big screen.